Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. Well guys, to start off this video, I might ask you a simple question. Do you have this LinkedIn profile? And if yes, what do you usually use this LinkedIn for? For example, do you use it for looking for a job or building the network or just have the professional account? Well, it is pretty okay to use this LinkedIn, but what if I tell you that this LinkedIn also provides you the free courses? And how can we access it? It is pretty simple, guys. So the first step you can do, of course, you need to have the account of this LinkedIn. You can do the sign up with your email, and after that you can fill something in it, let's say your profile or the work experiences and also your education. And if you would like to have the courses here or after completing your profile, then you can go to the searching section, and for example you can start to put your keyword and get the free courses, for example, digital marketing or cryptocurrency or Web3. And I will give you the example like this, Web3. And this will be the look after you click the searching section. And you will see the job, post, people, group, etc. and company. But you can scroll this category to the left and you will find courses, and you will see the courses like this. What is Web3? And you will find until 31 real result or 31 courses. For example, I will choose this one, what business leaders need to know about Web3.
If the internet, social media,
As you can see, I'm sorry, that the courses will be like the video that will get you and add the knowledge for you, and also it will give you the subtitle. You can activate or inactivate it, and you can simply scroll down to know about the general information into this video courses. And also you can obtain the certificate here by purchase or do the subscription into this LinkedIn. But if you don't want that, it is okay because this can be cancelled anytime. If you are interested, then you can click try 1 month for free and continue to do the payment for zero following your currency like this, guys. But if you are enough to watch their video about the several major, you can simply play it and you can go to the another courses that is related to. For example, like this.
Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence.
And let's say if you would like to save one of these courses, for example, I will click this button. It's like the ribbon here. And where can we find it? So you need to visit the profile of your LinkedIn. You can click this or the photo profile up here on the top left corner. And you can click the profile again. And after that, you will find the 3 dots on this section. You can simply click it and click my items. And you will find the my learnings, which mean the courses that you would like to enroll. Click this again, and there you will see the courses that you have just saved into this account. And also don't forget to follow along and continue to enroll these courses. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section because we would love to share comments there. And also don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.